If we're right, this market is going to go from 2.2 million sales, that's units, in 2020, it might be 2.3, to 40 million in 2025.
NIO stock is about to explode because guess what? ARK investors just pushed the expectation price for Tesla higher and higher by 2025, and we're going to talk about some crazy numbers right there. My name is Ilya, welcome to my channel, and before we start, everybody knows the rule. You gotta click that like button and subscribe to my channel. Let's talk about NIO and what ARK's predicted price for Tesla will mean for NIO stock and for electric vehicle market in general. As we all know, Tesla is the biggest company right there in electric vehicle niche, and what happened with Tesla, all good and all bad, will definitely make all the companies in the same niche to follow the Tesla up or down, depends. If something bad happens with Tesla, all the niche will go down, NIO stock as well. If something good happens with Tesla, everything will go up. The same with NIO. The expected value for Tesla in 2025 is $3,000 a share, and this is some crazy numbers right there. Tesla is trading around $700 and it's been trading around $700 for a while. It does wait for some catalyst, and I do think that this might be a catalyst from CATHIE Woods, and Tesla might actually break and just go to the moon at this point. But also they do have a bad news right there, that China is trying to ban, actually China did ban their purchases for their members of the military and for the main employees in the main big Chinese companies. So this is a bad news, but also the expectation for ARK investment for Tesla is so high up, and $3,000 is not even a bull case, it's just a regular expectation. So they said that there is around 50% chance that 2025 Tesla stock will be at $3,000. That their case that Tesla will be at $1,500 by 2025, and they say its probability is around 25%, and $1,500 is still a great number. It means Tesla will double and the market capitalization by 2025 will increase twice. So Tesla will worth around $1.5 trillion. And the bull case is $4,000 for Tesla by 2025. And this is some crazy numbers right there. Yes, Tesla is a great company, but also CATHIE would say that they bet on the autonomous driving. As you probably all heard, that Tesla is planning to use their cars as a taxis with no drivers, so you can actually pick people up, just drop it off, and they actually said that it will be in 2015, 2018, 2020, and now CATHIE Wood thinks that it's probably going to happen by 2025, because in their spreadsheet it actually says that they will bet on some revenue that Tesla will make from the autonomous taxi services for their cars. To be honest, who am I and where is the CATHIE Woods? But to be honest, I can't believe in that, because it's only 5 years away from us. And for right now, Tesla can't even drive by itself. As we all know, yes, the autopilot is a great thing, but it doesn't really do that well in a huge traffic. It doesn't really do that well with merging right and left on the highways. So we'll see. But 5 years is a long term for Tesla and for computing system, for artificial intelligence. So hopefully they can do that by 2025. Now let's talk about NIO. NIO has only great news right there. And probably the worst news for NIO is a semiconductor shortage, which is it doesn't really affect NIO because technically they still can produce cars, they still can deliver a lot of cars. They said that the capacity every month that they can deliver is around 10,000, and they will start delivering 7,500 cars because of the semiconductors. So they have to hold behind a little bit on their delivery numbers. But again, even 7,500 cars per month, it's a huge number for NIO, because for right now the record was 7,200 cars per month in January. And again, the Tesla's news about China banning purchase for military members and for employees of big companies, it's a good thing for NIO, because now the people who are thinking about buying Tesla, they'll start buying NIOs or other electric vehicle. But NIO is the biggest, and we can call NIO that is a Tesla of China. It's nothing to do. NIO has a huge market right there, which is China. China is one of the biggest economies right there. China has the biggest amount of people right there, and they make a lot of money, so people can actually afford. And I think NIO has a huge advantage over Tesla, it's a swapping technology. So you don't have to wait like 20 minutes, 30 minutes, or even an hour to charge your car. Just stop by 5 minutes and you have a new battery with 100% charge, and they can sell cars without a battery, so the car will be much cheaper. Yes, the cars right now, NIO actually sells them for around $50,000-$60,000, but they did say that they are going to make cars for $25,000. ARK Investment actually doesn't own any NIO, but they do believe that NIO will do good in the Chinese market, and the Chinese market is actually the main market for electric vehicle. And I do think that 2021 will be a huge year for NIO, because after second quarter, where NIO's capacity of the car production will increase to 10,000 cars per month, and they will start hitting European market. So we can see some really bright future for NIO. As we all know, electric vehicle niche is booming right now, and there are a lot of cars right there. But let's be honest, not a lot of businesses, not a lot of electric vehicle car companies actually producing cars, or maybe they're producing in some small amounts. The closest competitors to Tesla and NIO is probably Lucid Cars, but they said they're going to start production this summer 2021, and they think that it will deliver around 7,500 cars by the end of 2021, and the car costs like around $150,000. Come on guys, I think the best here is to be able to buy a good car for a good price. That affordability is our actually key, and NIO can offer that. Also, with the Chinese government money, with the Chinese power of the manufacturer, I do think that NIO can scale their cars production faster than Tesla before. And as we can see, there are a lot of cars in California right now. I'm not sure if they're just driving around or they're trying to open the North American market. We will see, but there are some rumors right there that NIO is trying to come on the North American market. As we all understand, the North American market is one of the biggest markets right here. NIO's capitalization right now, I'm not talking about the NIO's capitalization right now because of the correction, but before it was around 85 to 90 billion dollars for the car maker that delivers around 7,500 cars per month, that they're booming. Actually, China said that by 2025, all government cars, 50% of government cars will be electric vehicles. So we're looking for some crazy numbers right there. Tesla right now is at around $700 billion market capitalization, and NIO is around $80 billion market capitalization. So as we can see, there is a huge space to grow for NIO. And like I said, by 2025, the bearish prediction for Tesla is around $1,500. So it means that Tesla will double their market capitalization, and it will be a $1.5 trillion company. So NIO is definitely can hit at least half of what Tesla has, because NIO is the second big electric vehicle company right there. So we're looking good. But if we're talking about short term, there are only good news for NIO. Banning of Tesla in China, which will give more customers to NIO. Their European market in the second part of 2021, which again will benefit NIO. Their production will increase to 10,000 cars per month. Again, that's a huge benefit. And as we all know, NIO also partners with NVIDIA. And don't forget guys, that NIO is a tech company as well, the same like Tesla. It's not just a company that producing cars. They're producing a gadget, and that gadget, we don't even know what the gadget can do. But NIO has autopilot as well as Tesla. I'm not sure if it's good or bad, because as we know, NIO is on the Chinese market, but I bet their autopilot is pretty good, and it will be better and better. As we all remember, Tesla's autopilot was horrible in the beginning, and right now it's good. Yes, it's far away from the perfection, but it's good in comparison with 2 or 3 years ago. So I hope NIO can do something really good with autopilots. I hope that NIO will do their swapping system better and better. Maybe the swapping will take even less than 5 minutes. And like I said, I do think the swapping system is our future. I do think that this is much more efficient and much more convenient than actually charging your car for 50 minutes. Yes, of course, you can charge your Tesla overnight, but swapping cars on a long trips are the best thing. And yes, it's gonna take some time for NIO to build their system, especially outside of China. But for right now, we're looking good. For right now, we're benefiting from Tesla's problem in China. And for right now, NIO is winning Chinese market. And Unfortunately, for Tesla investors, Tesla sales plummeted in February, and because the United States and China has some tension in their political relationship, most likely something else will come out and maybe Tesla will be restricted even more. But again, I'm not saying that Tesla is a bad company. I am investing in Tesla. I'm planning on buying Tesla stock too. But also right now, because of a correction, NIO's price is such a good price. It's just a sweet present for people who is trying to go and just start investing in NIO. So don't miss out. But again, this is just my opinion. Don't listen to me. What do I know? Subscribe to my channel. Comment down below what you think about NIO. And hopefully I will see you soon, guys. Take care. Don't forget to click that like